buddy. Hey guys, it is super windy here at the park. Super sunny, super windy. Which way do I want my hat? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, thanks for clicking that thumbnail, and if you're coming back, thank you for coming on back. Shout out to my regulars now. Oh yeah, that's right. I always like to give a shout out to people who comment a lot and who show up a lot. So if you saw yourself on the screen, then you are one of the subscribers of the day. Alright you guys, it's really windy. We're going to see what we can get into here at Veterans Park. Mullet Lake, here we come. It's windy, and I have some windy stereotypical baits, but right now I'm gonna give my rod holder is giving me problems. Come on, beggars can't be choosers. Yeah. All right, we have our crazy JDM Ned rig creature bait that we caught big old 3-pounder on, so maybe we can get another one. Let's toss it right in. It's pretty shallow, but these pads, man, that's where the big uns live, you know? But that's pretty shallow, and I hate that tree. It rained today. We had some crazy tornado warnings, not near me, but kind of ruined my day where I was gonna be going. Let's let it soak. Comment below, what's your favorite windy condition bait? Sometimes I actually like a drop shot. I don't see Chompy on these pads. That might be him, but it's hard to see him. He's a tricky trickster. Yeah, it's hard to sling this little guy in the wind. But well, a 3-pounder chomps it. Somehow it's all worth it when you get a big old bite. So fight the wind. That's like winter comes back. Winter comes back with a vengeance, and all of a sudden we've got like a weird cold condition now. It's like it rained, it got cold. Yesterday was 83. But the weather just keeps on flip-flopping. The water's calmer on the other side. But the fish is right there. Oh, yeah. Oh. Woo! Come on. Get out of that grass. Boat flip. Yes. Yes, sir. Woo! Right in the side of the mouth with the Ned rig. Yeah. That's a nice one, guys. Woo! Feels heavy. Feels like a 3 all day, guys. Let's check it out. Let's turn on this guy before we put it in his mouth. Pounds and ounces. Woo! It's windy, guys. Clear. We got holding at 214, so just about 3 pounds, guys. All right, we'll get him back. He's pissed. Drop my key. Yes, sir. One more look at that beautiful, beautiful bias. All right. Woo! He's spying me good. Woo! Stab me. Stab me right on my finger. Oh. Oh, it's the price I pay for catching a beautiful bass. Let's go. Stole the lure, but that's okay. We got plenty of lures. My foot's wet, I got stabbed, and I lost my bait. But that happened the last time we fished with that bait. It's like a JDM, the Dole Live, or Do Live, like for live, like forward front facing whatevers, and it smells like a straight up fish, but it's so like one fish or two fish and it's done. I caught a 3-pounder just like that on one before, and he ate all the appendages, and then that time I didn't even get it back. Oh, but that was sweet. Let's do it again. I think he drew blood, guys. There we go. Yeah, Do Live Beaver 3-inch. Yep. And I used 2 and I caught 2 fish. Look at that. Well, wouldn't it be nice if we could just catch a fish on every single one that we use and we don't lose any? Wouldn't that be some? Woo, it's a slimy little sucker. I'm shaking, catching that big one. In the windy wind. Oh, it's the old mermaid hair. Woo! Yeah, this ducket rod handles nicely. Nice 3-pounder. Last time I caught it on Ike and Nelly 2-piece from my bought for my son. I about lost a fish. Oop, oh, I felt like a bite. No. Hit something. Probably a root. Woo! That felt good, you guys. Nice big fish. Nope. I got robbed. Oh no, you guys. Well, you know, we caught one with the Ned rig, and it's really tough to like throw this guy in the wind. So let's switch baits. If you commented below what I said earlier, which windy bait do you like? Maybe I'll go over here and pick that bait up, or maybe I won't have it at all, and you'll be like, that girl doesn't know windy baits. I don't know. Now I got the fluke, but it ain't got no weight on it. I think the chatterbait, or maybe a topwater, but I'd have to tie that up, would be the best windy bait. The chatterbait, however, also calls another friend of ours to the scene. So kind of gotta be careful. I got one chatterbait fish in this pond, and it was on a green pumpkin, the same bait, the Gary Yamamoto fish bait trailer. I always forget the name. There's like Senko, I think it's Yanko, Janko. I think Jinko is like a pants from the 90s. I don't know, guys. I'll put it up on the screen for you. Anyhow, that's what I caught it on. Was a green pumpkin one. Boy, it was such a fun catch too. I don't like throwing my bait directly into the wind, but when you have a day like today where the water is pushing up on this bank in this cove, you wonder if there's all these bait fish also trapped in the cove, and that's when you catch it. So far the Ned rig is the winner, but let's try to beat it. Let's try to beat 214 with the chatterbait. Let's get a big one. Where's all the chatterbait fish? Come on. If I had to guess, maybe a lipless crankbait would be also good in the wind. Maybe a frog. I can't make it. I called it not, but that's a turtle, but I don't think, oh, it must be found. No, there it goes. Oh, there's a fish. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Woo! Woo! All right, only my second ever chatterbait fish. Let's try to get it out of here now. Yes, sir. Oh, you took a piece of chatterbait. There you go. Grass in you. All right, he's not as big as our last guy. See him in the sunlight, in the midnight, in the midlight. There's the moon. Woo! Yeah, buddy, he's looking good. I'm not gonna weigh him because he's not that big. It's like a 2-pounder. Here, it's nice and deep right here. Yeah, buddy. We got him on the chatterbait. Yes, sir. And away he goes. Yes. Oh, I'm a little bit shy over here to get too close to the water on account of alligators. And with that sunshine in my face, it's even harder. So we got the Z-Man Elite, old school, not the Evo. I got this one on the cheap. Whoa, that thing, that trailer got destroyed. Maybe we'll just get one upside down. We'll try it. I don't think I brought any of that particular trailer. All right, we got our second only chatterbait fish. Now let's get an upside down trailer chatterbait fish. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I love catching fish, especially bass. That LMB put a spell on me, and it's plain to see where I'll be out at the lake, casting a line, don't until supper time.